Discovering the right editing techniques can transform ordinary images into extraordinary portfolio pieces. While Lightroom offers a range of basic tools, mastering a few essential secrets can make a significant difference in your results. These advanced methods go beyond the standard tutorials, unlocking creative possibilities and professional polish. By learning how to elevate flat photos, you gain the ability to bring out depth, vibrancy, and emotion in your work. These 5 editing secrets are designed to help you stand out, whether you're refining landscapes, portraits, or any genre. Embracing these skills not only enhances your images, but also sets your portfolio apart in a competitive field. The HSL panel offers powerful tools for refining skin tones in portrait photography. By adjusting the hue, you can subtly shift the color of the skin to achieve a more natural look. Saturation controls the intensity of the skin color, helping to avoid overly vibrant or dull appearances. Luminance affects the brightness of the skin, allowing for gentle enhancements that make portraits more flattering. Carefully balancing these 3 elements ensures that skin tones remain realistic and appealing. With precise adjustments, the HSL panel helps photographers create portraits that highlight natural beauty while maintaining authenticity. The radial filter tool is a powerful feature for enhancing the eyes in portrait photography. By applying a selective adjustment, you can subtly brighten the eyes, increase their sharpness, or add contrast, making them stand out within the image. This technique draws the viewer's attention directly to the subject's gaze, adding depth and emotional impact to the portrait. Carefully adjusting exposure, clarity, and saturation within the radial filter helps maintain a natural look while emphasizing the eyes. The result is a more engaging and dynamic portrait, where the eyes become a focal point and convey the subject's personality more vividly. The Calibration tab offers powerful tools for adjusting the overall mood of an image. By subtly shifting the color balance, you can create a distinctive and cohesive visual style. Adjusting the red, green, and blue primary sliders influences how colors interact throughout the photo, allowing for nuanced changes that affect the entire composition. These refinements can help unify disparate elements and evoke a particular atmosphere. Whether aiming for a warm, inviting glow or a cool, dramatic effect, calibration adjustments provide precise control. The result is an image that feels intentional and harmonized, reflecting your creative vision. The tone curve is a powerful tool for enhancing your photos, and mastering the classic S-curve technique can make a significant difference. By gently lifting the highlights and deepening the shadows, you create an S shape on the curve, which boosts contrast and adds a sense of depth to your images. This approach helps your photos stand out, giving them a vibrant, dynamic look. Importantly, the S-curve preserves mid-tone detail, so you don't lose important textures or subtle gradations. With careful adjustments, you can achieve a balanced result that makes your images pop while maintaining natural realism. Experimenting with the curve allows you to fine-tune the effect, ensuring each photo retains its unique character. To maintain crispness and clarity in your final images, applying an export sharpening technique is essential. This method compensates for any loss of detail that can occur during resizing or compression, especially when preparing images for sharing online or printing. By carefully adjusting the sharpening settings before exporting, you can enhance edge definition and preserve fine textures. The result is a photograph that appears clean and vibrant, with details that stand out. This simple step ensures your images look their best, whether viewed on a screen or in print. By mastering these 5 editing secrets, you can dramatically enhance the quality and appeal of your photos. Each technique offers a unique way to bring out the best in your images, whether it's through subtle adjustments or bold transformations. The impact of these methods is evident in the way they elevate ordinary shots into striking visual stories. Remember, the key to great editing lies in experimentation and personal expression. Don't hesitate to try out these approaches and discover what works best for your style. With practice, you'll develop your own creative workflow and unlock new possibilities in your photography. Embrace the process and watch your images come to life in ways you never imagined.